In a world far beyond our own, there existed a planet known only as Zoran. The inhabitants of Zoran were a curious species, with heads that glowed like fireflies and limbs that seemed to be made of a shimmering, silver mist. They had the ability to communicate with each other telepathically, and their society was based on the principles of peace and harmony. One day, a group of Zorinians stumbled upon a strange object in the depths of their planet's ocean. It was a metal capsule, unlike anything they had ever seen before. The capsule was rusted and dented, and it appeared to have been drifting in the ocean for centuries. The Zorinians were intrigued, and they decided to bring the capsule back to the surface for closer examination. As they pried open the capsule, they were met with a blinding light. When the light subsided, they found themselves staring at a group of humans, frozen in stasis chambers. The humans were dressed in strange clothing, with intricate markings etched into their suits. The Zorinians were shocked to see these creatures from another world, but they were also excited. They had never encountered intelligent life beyond their own planet, and they couldn't wait to learn more about these humans and their world. The Zorinians carefully thought out the humans, who were startled and disoriented at first. It took some time for the Zorinians to establish a telepathic connection with the humans, as their thought patterns were vastly different. After a while, the humans began to communicate with the Zorinians using a device that they had brought with them. The humans told the Zorinians that they were from a planet called Earth, and that they had been on a mission to explore the universe. They had encountered a malfunction in their spacecraft and had crash-landed on Zoran. The Zorinians were fascinated by the humans' stories of Earth and their technology. They had never seen anything like it before. The humans, in turn, were amazed by the beauty of Zoran and the unique abilities of the Zorinian species. Over time, the Zorinians and the humans began to work together to repair the spacecraft. They shared knowledge and ideas, and formed a strong bond of friendship. As they worked, they discovered that their two worlds were more alike than they had initially thought. Eventually, the spacecraft was repaired, and the humans prepared to leave Zoran. But as they said their goodbyes, they knew that they had made a profound connection with the Zorinians, and that they would always remember their time on the alien planet. As the spacecraft soared through the galaxy, the humans couldn't help but reflect on their encounter with the Zorinians. They had never expected to find intelligent life on their journey, and they were amazed by the kindness and curiosity of the Zorinians. The humans knew that their discovery would have profound implications for their own planet. The knowledge they had gained from the Zorinians could help to advance their own technology and understanding of the universe. But as they traveled through the stars, they also couldn't help but feel a sense of longing for the peaceful and harmonious world they had left behind on Zoran. They wondered if they would ever encounter such a place again, and what other secrets the universe held. Little did they know, their journey was far from over, and that they would soon encounter more surprises and wonders beyond their wildest imagination. After weeks of travel, the spacecraft emerged from the darkness of space and into the warm embrace of a vibrant nebula. The humans were awestruck by the kaleidoscope of colors and shapes that surrounded them. As they scanned the area, they detected a faint signal coming from one of the nebula's distant planets. The signal was unlike anything they had ever encountered before, and they knew that they had to investigate. As they approached the planet, they realized that it was teeming with life. Strange creatures with shimmering scales and glowing eyes darted through the clouds, and the air was thick with a sweet, exotic scent. The humans landed their spacecraft and began to explore the planet's surface. They were met with a cacophony of sounds and sights that they had never experienced before. Plants that glowed like neon lights swayed in the gentle breeze, and rivers of crystal clear water flowed through the landscape. As they ventured deeper into the planet's dense forests, they encountered a tribe of beings unlike anything they had ever seen before. They had bodies made of pure energy and communicated in a language that the humans couldn't understand. But despite the differences, the humans felt a sense of kinship with these creatures, and they knew that they had stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. The energy beings led the humans to a shimmering portal, which they said would take them to the heart of their civilization. The humans hesitated for a moment, unsure of what they might find on the other side, but their curiosity got the best of them. As they stepped through the portal, they were enveloped in a bright light and felt themselves being pulled through space and time. When they emerged on the other side, they found themselves in a vast, gleaming city that seemed to be made entirely of light. The energy beings showed them around the city, introducing them to their technology and way of life. The humans were amazed by what they saw. The beings had harnessed the power of the stars to create a utopia of energy and light. As they explored the city, the humans realized that they had discovered something truly unique in the universe. They knew that their encounter with these beings would change the course of human history forever. But as they prepared to leave, they also knew that they had to be careful not to disrupt the delicate balance of this alien civilization. They promised to keep their discovery a secret, at least for now, and set out to continue their journey through the stars. As they left the planet of the energy beings behind, the humans couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. They had discovered two civilizations unlike anything they had ever seen before, each with their own unique qualities and technologies. But they also realized that their journey was far from over, and that there were still countless mysteries to be uncovered in the vast expanse of the universe. As they traveled through space, they encountered more planets and civilizations, each with their own stories and secrets. Some were peaceful and welcoming, while others were hostile and dangerous. Despite the challenges they faced, the humans were determined to continue their journey. They knew that the knowledge they gained from their encounters with these alien civilizations could help to change the course of human history and bring about a new era of understanding and cooperation in the universe. As they looked out into the endless expanse of space, the humans knew that they were just beginning to scratch the surface of what was possible. And they couldn't wait to see what other wonders the universe had in store for them. Their journey through the universe continued for months, and the humans encountered countless civilizations, each one more fascinating than the last. They learned about new technologies, cultures, and ways of life that they never could have imagined. But as they traveled deeper into the universe, they also encountered more complex ethical dilemmas. They were faced with questions about how to interact with civilizations that had different moral codes or belief systems, and whether or not to intervene in conflicts that they came across. These dilemmas forced the humans to confront their own biases and assumptions, and to reevaluate what they knew about themselves and the universe. They realized that their journey was not just about discovering new worlds, but about discovering themselves. As they continued on their journey, the humans became more and more introspective. They began to question what it truly meant to be human, and how they fit into the larger tapestry of the universe. Despite the uncertainties and complexities of their journey, they knew that they were on the right path. They were learning, growing, and discovering new things about themselves and the universe with every passing moment. And they were excited to see where their journey would take them next. As they traveled deeper into the universe, the humans encountered a planet unlike any other they had seen before. It was covered in lush green forests, teeming with exotic wildlife and creatures that seemed to be a blend of plant and animal. As they explored the planet, the humans discovered that it was home to a highly advanced civilization of beings that lived in harmony with their environment. They had developed technologies that allowed them to harness the power of the planet's natural resources without causing harm to the ecosystem. The humans were amazed by what they saw, and they felt a deep sense of connection with these beings. They realized that they had much to learn from them, and they spent weeks on the planet, studying their way of life and exchanging ideas and knowledge. During their stay, the humans also discovered a mysterious force that seemed to permeate the planet. It was a powerful energy that flowed through all living things, connecting them in a way that the humans had never experienced before. As they delved deeper into this energy, the humans realized that it held the key to unlocking new technologies and abilities that they had only dreamed of. They began to study it intently, hoping to harness its power for the betterment of all humanity. But as they did so, they also knew that they had to tread carefully. They didn't want to upset the delicate balance of this planet, or to cause harm to the beings that lived there. So they worked tirelessly, combining their knowledge with that of the planet's inhabitants, and slowly unlocking the secrets of this powerful energy. And as they did so, they knew that they were on the brink of a breakthrough that could change the course of human history forever. After months of studying and experimenting, the humans finally achieved their breakthrough. They had developed a new technology that could harness the power of the planet's energy without harming the environment or its inhabitants. The discovery was a turning point for humanity, and it ushered in a new era of innovation and prosperity. With this new technology, the humans were able to solve many of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty and hunger. But more than that, the discovery brought humanity together. It was a reminder that no matter how different we may seem on the surface, we all share a common bond. We are all part of the same universe, and we all have a responsibility to protect and preserve it. As the humans looked back on their journey, they realized that it was about much more than just discovering new worlds. It was about discovering themselves, and about coming together to solve the biggest challenges facing humanity. And so they continued on their journey, with a renewed sense of purpose and hope. They knew that there would be many more challenges and uncertainties ahead, but they were ready to face them head-on, armed with the knowledge and experience that they had gained along the way. As they soared through the stars, the humans knew that the universe was vast and infinite, and that there was still so much to discover and explore. But they were ready for whatever lay ahead, knowing that they were united in their quest for knowledge and their commitment to making the world a better place.